This is Tom. He manages a growing business in the pharma wholesale and distribution sector. He has to accomplish so many tasks every day, starting from billing to dispatch and then till filing returns. But Tom is facing problem by manually taking care of all this process. Like in his warehouse, there's a complete process, from product order to delivery, and different workers are engaged to complete this process. He finds it difficult to monitor the status of the order received, packing, printing, etc. Managing inventory is another hectic problem. Month after month, he runs short of stock due to low visibility of stock, or sometimes he is not able to bring in fresh stock because of excess slow-moving inventory which are nearing their expiry dates. His pharma distribution business receives many phone calls every day from customers that are either wanting product prices, product availability, or trying to place purchase orders. And of course, he has to pay for office staff, allot them systems, phones, etc. The problem is, some days the customers are put on hold due to the amount of calls coming in and the time taken in providing information and manually noting down orders, which frustrates Tom's customers. Most of the calls remain unanswered, due to which Tom loses some really good orders. Tom also struggles to keep track of the sales from his salesmen. He has no clue on where they are or what they are doing, how many orders they have received, how many payments they have collected, etc. Along with all this, Tom also has to take care of reorder, purchase orders, expiry stock management, accounts, file GST returns, and many more. Tom realized that it's time to adapt his business to the latest technology and operate his business in a smarter way. So he searched online and found Maag ERP pharma distribution software integrated with mobile apps. Maag ERP has transformed the way he used to run his business. Now, by using Maag ERP, Tom is easily keeping track of billing till dispatch process. He comes to know which order has been completed till what stage. He is also able to track his operators using operator logbook. Maag ERP also helps him to clear out his slow-moving inventory. During billing at the side of the invoicing window, Tom finds a list of slow-moving products, that is old inventory items, and near expiry items, means items which are nearing their expiry dates, which differs from customer to customer whose ledger he has selected while billing, which the software smartly filters according to their purchase history. So, in this way, Tom can suggest the right customer to purchase their required product. Using Maag's e-business apps, his customers are easily placing him orders by viewing all the necessary details. So now, Tom does not get excess phone calls. Not just Tom's customers, even his salesmen use e-business app with GPS tracker to do entry of all their activities like order, collection, payment, etc. So now, Tom can easily monitor the sales performance of his salesmen and also track their location. So, Maag ERP is the perfect solution for the wholesale and distribution sector, which comes with some of these unique features. Order management, collaborative commerce or upload invoices, purchase feeding electronically, breakage or expiry management, fast billing, multi-user compatibility, dispatch management, credit limit management, purchase and sale claim management, party or company or product-wise price list and discounts, bill tagging for collections, check printing, all accounts receivable or payable management, check management, PDC management, check dishonored or advanced check entries, GST compliances, MIS reports, 1000+ reports.